Lezi izindaba zethembisa online. Right ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yaseThembisa, Ivory Park, Rabe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile. Sikwethulela umbiko lapho sithi khona okuhle kuyayilandela ke indawo yaseThembisa. Kuhle ke nathi uma ngabe sikubikela ngeindaba ezifuzele sibuka nje ngoba sikwethulela izithombe nemsindo lapho sithi sekuvulwe ke ngokusemthethweni indawo ezobhekela ke ukusetshenziswa nangendlela ke ezihlukahlukene phecelezi ke lezi ezibizwa ngokuthi ke i-multi purpose khona lapha endaweni yasemkhathini khona nje ivulwa umkhandlu dolobha wasekuruleni. Kanti ke imeya yomkhandlu dolobha wasekuruleni umhlonishwa uDr Nkosindiphile Xhakaza uyena ke obehola phambili ehambisana ke nesigungu sakhe sekomiti lemeya kanjalo ke amakhansela wendawo yaseThembisa kanti ke namalungu omphakathi akwazile ukuthi ke afike azoyibonela uma kuvulwa yona le ndawo. Sikwazile ke ukuthi sibe nethuba lokuthi sikhulumisane nayo imeya ake sikwazi ukwethamela lenkulumo. Injalo njengalokho ke nikubonile ke nobukhazikhazi nezinto ke ezenzekayo khona la eMulti Purpose Center kungamagama enkehli imeya ngiyakhumbula sakuvula ke ibloho lapha ya endaweni yase Hospital View wathi siyeze eMulti Purpose and usuku selifikile meya asikubingelele and thank you for ukuthi usijoine namhlanje.
No siyabonga mangibingelele kakhulu kwizakhamuzi zaseThembisa yonkana ngiyazi ke wena uyafikelela nase Ivory uyafikelela nakuyikuruleni yonke so siyanibulisa.
Mayor, here we are ukhulume kakhulu ngokuthi ucela ukuthi le ndawo isetshenziswe abantu abasha basondele ama skills isho ukuthini kuwena le ndawo njengoba nivula?
No, for me, I mean, this is multi-purpose center. We are reopening it again. It had collapsed and I did indicate that izinto zika 2021 kuyapha ku 2020 headache nje yokuthi so many facilities were closed. Of course, this one might have been even longer because of the water you know what do you call it under what do you call that water the stormwater drainage system that was flowing into here. So we've been able to fix that entire infrastructure. And you can see the building is beautiful. I mean, it's refurbished, you know, bling bling, kazi. Shuktin is not just this hall. You know, Rabasutu, you know, is under pressure now. You know, there's a hall here, but importantly, Ama services temporarily while we are still fixing the Tembisa CCC, Ama services otherwise good as a corner la. So in no time we'll be saying abantu bethu base Mthambeka ngapha Ward 14 gospethweni kanjalo amelanga ukuthi bahambe all the way bayofika eWinnie Mandela for ukuthi bathola ama services. So it means temporarily we'll then use this space you know for ukuthi abantu bethu bazo inquire ogogo beze bazo inquire ngama indigent abantu abahlutshwa amanzi bazo inquire ngamanzi mawunezidingo ngedingo. So the center is back through this temporary. Of course, this is structured, but we should be able to get a space where we'll be able to get the temporary facilities. So the service delivery front lines. Now interface khona no masipala ukuthi uzothola ama services. Konke la kuzobe khona. Esikujabulela kakhulu ke thina ukuthi we know the space, we know the capacity yale ndawo. You know, it used to offer career guidance, it used to offer gym facilities. So all those things, we're bringing them back, including nama crash you know, facilities. Kwenzela ukuthi abantwana abomama abasebenza abafuna ama crash, then there's a space here. We'll be able to house at least a 2 ama crash from the nearby communities.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mayor. When was the last time have you been in your office just sitting, because here you have been on the ground?
Office na sahlala ema-office manje kunzima.
Yeah.
Sifuna ukuthi sinikeze confidence abantwini bethu. Abantu bethu bafuna ukusibona egroundini. Si resolve their issues. Mara ke kuyabaleka because mele ubeke office ukwazi ukuthi uthola ama report, uprocess, usayine nako konke lokho. Mara what we've committed is that at least kayi2 evekini sizobe sike groundini. Sishilo ke sathi le development esifunayo ngokusheshsha le agility esifunayo agility ke is a speed. Want to build a responsive city that is agile. Ifuna ke ukuthi sibe khona ekuhlaleni. Ngithe kuwe next week we're gonna invite abantu baseThembisa azobela. Sizobaxelela nge-new precinct plan, CBD development. What are we doing? What is the grand plan? Le Thembisa bathi Thembisa master plan. It is here. Feel it. So next week so keep ilanga. Wednesday, Thursday okanjalo nje. Mara before sifika lapho so qale sihlasela ama-pothole, sivala ama-pothole, sikhatha ugrass, singene emoyifonteni sicheck ukuthi kwenzakalani, kuzaba busy. Sicheck nje konke, silungise. Mase sifika la sesizokhuluma nge-grand plan where we are taking Thembisa. Umuntu abe confident ukuthi that we are dealing with the basics. And again, I'm saying, next week we've got a date with the people of Thembisa. We want to show them they must dream and imagine the future Thembisa.
Sibonge Mhlonishwa.
Thank you very much.
Kanti ke omunye ongumuntu osemusha ophinde ke futhi ke okwazile ukunikezwa ithuba lokuthi abheke lo msebenzi wokwakha uyasichazela kabanzi nangamathuba emsebenzi akhekile ngalesi sikhathi ke kwakhiwa noma kulungiswa i-multi-purpose center yakhona lapha eThembisa. Ake sethamele inkulumo. There we have it. Sinaye ke omunye ke wabantu abakhona abaneqhaza elikhulu ke abalibambile eqinisekiseni ukuthi ke konke ke kuhamba kahle. Sister, greetings.
Sanibona, ninjani?
Siyaphila kunjani?
Siyaphila.
Ngicela usichazele usisi ubani wakwabani, from which organization, and namhlanje what is your role here today?
Okay. Igama nguThepiso kaMkwena and ngiphuma ka TN Consulting ebekuyiyo i-main contractor ebesebenzisana nomphakathi ukuze sikwazi ukuthi si renovate iThembisa multi-purpose center.
How has been the experience, and is there mhlawumbe ama-job opportunities akwazile ukcreateka, and how do you feel ukuthi here we are and umsebenzi muhle uyabonakala?
Yes, awasazile kakhulu ukuthi si-upscale abantu, sithole abantu abasithembisa kuphela. Usually contractor mayifika ifika nabantu bakhe. But for this one senze sure ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siqashe over 50% female, over 50% youth. Ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibafundise izinto ezifana nabo bricklaying, sibafundise ukupenda, ukutile, ukubopha ama-gabions. There was a lot of skills esiwa instillile kubantu esibatholela. So it was a very influential project in terms of ukuthi sikwazile ukuthi sinika abantu umsebenzi, abantu abasebenzela bayokwazi ukuthi nakusasa bangahamba baye kwamanye ama-sites bakwazi ukuthola the same jobs and opportunities.
The project has been completed and launching namhlanje. How do you feel?
Ngijabule kakhulu because masifika lana ushilo councillor ukuthi bekuyidami la eholweni. So ukubona ukuthi siqalephi nokujabula kwabantu, abantu bajabulile bazwile bebacula balilizela ngaphandle. Into ezinjalo ziyajabulisa ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sithathe izinto ezinje sizilethe emphakathini.
Thank you so much.
Ngiyabonga.
Iyake muzwa kwethu, ngiyathemba ukuthi ubheme wakholwa. Besikhona siyiThembisa online emkhathini multi-purpose center lapha ke endaweni yaseThembisa. Igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu wakwaDzanibe. Ithombe nemsindo siqoshelwe ubanele uBrazo Sondlo, kanti ke lezi indiza phezulu emoyeni uyena ke uKape the drone pilot umfoka Mayila. Ube khona ke uSihle wakwaNgwini. Sibonga kakhulu ke nezinye zezithombe esiqoshelwe ke uDerek Phukela shot by Hauser.